One of my best friends recently graduated, and I wanted to put together something thoughtful to celebrate the special milestone. So today I'm taking you with me as we shop for the perfect gifts and create a graduation basket filled with little things for her next chapter. First things first, we're headed to Action. Action has a lot of different storage baskets to choose from, and I immediately knew I wanted to use one for the gift basket. But finding the right size wasn't easy. Most of them were either too small or a bit too tall, so I was really struggling here. In the end, I went with this one, and I love how simple and neutral it looks. I wanted to add a floral touch to the basket, so I chose these artificial flowers in a small vase. I thought they were really pretty, and unlike fresh flowers, she'll be able to enjoy them for a long time. Next, I picked out a notebook. There were so many cute designs to choose from, and I honestly had a hard time deciding. In the end, I went with this gold one because by then I already had a color palette in mind. I wanted the basket to have soft blush pink tones, touches of gold, and neutral colors to tie everything together. I wanted to wrap each gift individually before putting everything into the basket, so I was looking for some gift wrapping paper as well. Unfortunately, I didn't really like any of the designs they had, so I only bought the clear wrapping foil and decided to look for wrapping paper at another store. I stumbled across some baskets in this store as well, but these were way too big, so I just stuck with the one I had already bought. This store also had some really cute artificial flowers. So here I found the gift wrapping paper. I couldn't decide between two designs, and since they looked so cute together, I decided to get both. I did go back and forth between the floral pink design and the plain craft paper, but in the end I chose the brown paper with the gold stripes together with the floral pink because I felt it added a little something extra. Next, I headed to the Rituals store at designer outlet Roermond. It had started raining by then, and of course I hadn't brought an umbrella. Rituals had so many lovely gift options to choose from, but I eventually decided on the Intuitia foaming shower gel and a scented candle. I thought they would make the perfect little self-care gifts to include in the basket. I also picked up a few more things for the basket, including a pen, some chocolate, and a vanilla coffee syrup. I completely forgot to film that part, but thankfully I remembered to take you with me to my next stop, because later that evening I visited the cutest little bookshop in Maastricht. I knew I wanted to include a book in the basket, and after browsing for a while I finally found the perfect one. Now that I had everything, it was finally time to put the basket together. I ended up including a notebook and pen, a handwritten card, a foaming shower gel and scented candle from Rituals, vanilla coffee syrup, a book, artificial flowers, and of course a little bit of chocolate. I wrapped each gift individually, added a handwritten note, and slowly started putting everything together. I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out. I hope my friend loves it just as much as I loved putting it together. Thank you so much for spending this little moment with me, and I'll see you in the next edit.